Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the monthly read for Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising people. Since this is a general read, so do watch your moon sign and rising sign readings as well. Let's start and see what are the messages for Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of July. Okay, so I have Knight of Wands. Someone is trying to take a new start. Page of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, very nice. Six of Swords, Four of Swords, some sort of movement is also here. Two of Wands, okay. Six of Cups, someone is not talking to someone else, and I feel this is about a couple, a committed couple. Page of Swords. Bottom of the deck, Tower card. My god. Oh, so I have Empress and Ace of Sword as well. Okay, so guys, for Taurians, situation is very clear. Simply 2 plus 2, because I have a couple over here, a husband and a wife, and then I have a third party over here. Now it's really difficult to say that who is this third party with, whether it's with Taurus or the other person with whom you are dealing with, but this third party has came to the surface, or you will be come to know about this person in this month as well. Okay, so let's see if we will try to figure it out. Who is this person? Let me drag it a bit. Okay, so I have these cards over here. Okay, let me explain this to you. I feel there is someone who came very quickly in your life, and you have totally accepted that person. That person is someone from your past, someone you already knew. There is a possibility that this person is your old lover or some old friend who just trying to become a lover now. Due to this reason, your spouse most probably is not talking to you, or you are not talking to the other person, or sorry, to your spouse. Now I have 3 person over here on this table right now. A Taurus, then your spouse, whether you are male or a female, and then a third party situation over here. So I have 3 people over here in this mix. I feel the person can be a fire sign who just trying to come into in between the committed couple. Now the situation is completely quiet right now, but one person from the couple, one person is ready to take the leap and just move towards the third party, and simply ready to leave their spouse as well. I feel there is a possibility that there are kids involved in this mix, and due to this reality that kids going to be disturbed with all the separation and thing, situation is going very slow. Otherwise, the Taurus person most probably has been in the full mind to take this step and move towards this old person who came into their life. There is also one thing which I want to tell you, that maybe this person, this third person who just entered in your life, maybe it's coming in this month as well. Maybe they try to offer you the friendship, the relationship, the connection, and you might take this month of July to consider this offer, but in your mind you are totally focused, or will be focused very soon, very quickly you will shift your focus towards moving ahead with the same person, with your third party. So this is the thing for Taurus. There is no other possibility which I can mention over here. No as such anything related to your finance or career or anything. I feel this person, either if it's already in your life, then the person is a hidden person and will reveal themselves in this month of July, or maybe this person is turning themselves from into a lover from a friend. In all this scenario, the spouse, your spouse is maybe willing to leave as well. Both of you are trying to mutually decide the whole situation, most probably, considering that kids are involved in the mix, because I have 3 cards over here, and as you can see the direction of the cards as well. I feel the only problem in this situation is are the kids, or maybe this is one child, and your spouse is simply ready to just break away everything. I feel they have this doubt that you already have cheated on you already have cheated on them, basically. Sorry to okay ji. So this was the situation for Taurus. Do let me know what's going on in your life and what kind of situation is around you. Really appreciate your feedback. With the next reading, I'll see you again. Take care. Bye.